हाराशिंग का मतलब होता है परेशान, पेस्टर, टॉर्मेंट और एन्योय। रेपेग्नेंट मतलब प्रतिकूल, एबहॉरेंट, रिवॉल्टिंग, डिस्गस्टिंग। असेंट अनुमति, एक्सेप्ट, एग्री और एक्सेप्ट। कैवेलियर मतलब अभिमानपूर्ण, रॉयलिस्ट, इंडिफरेंट, कैजुअल और अनइंटरेस्टेड। गिव्स मतलब लाइकनेस, अपीयरेंस और सेम बैलेंस। पैरलेज मतलब नेगोशिएशन मतलब बातचीत जिसको बोलते हैं हिंदी में, नेगोशिएशन, मीटिंग, कॉन्फ्रेंस, समिट और डिस्कशन। कैडेंस मतलब ताल, रिदम, टेम्पो, राइज एंड फॉल इन वॉइस और बीट। रिगार्डलेस बेपरवाह, एनी हाउ, नेवरथलेस और एनी वे। इडियम्स एंड फ्रेजेस, हिट एंड हे, गो टू बेड, eat crow, be humiliated by having to admit one's defeat. Pie in the sky, illusion. Buy a lemon, buy something worthless. Bag of tricks, set of plans and technique. Drop the ball, make a mistake. Green a grass, completely inexperienced. Sharp as tack, clever or intelligent. Golden opportunity, an excellent chance to do or get something. Green signal, allow someone or something to be done. Black and white, one which is easy to understand what is right or wrong. Pink slip, notice of dismissal from employment. Reservoir, large lake where water is stored. Orchard, plantation of trees maintained for food and production. Monastery, buildings comprising the domestic quarter and workplaces in monastics. Morgue, place used for the storage of human corpse. Couture, design and manufacturer of fashionable clothes. Counterfeit, not genuine. Cushion, a style of cooking characterized by distinctive ingredients. Consul, official appointment in foreign city helping people from his or her own country. One word substitution. Potable, safe to drink. Venial, able to have to be forgiven. Scarilis, treating a religious object or place without the respect it deserves. Sincere, position requiring little or no work but giving the holder status or financial benefit. India has going place in the helm of software technology. तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा talented and successful. She goes to her mother's house off and on. Off and on का मतलब होता है occasionally. The robber murdered the woman in cold blood for the sake of the jeweler. In cold blood का मतलब होता है a murder done without feeling. He has to abide by the hard and fast rule of the company. Hard and fast का मतलब होता है strict. When he saw the snake, he took to his heels. मतलब ran away in fear मतलब डर कर भाग जाना. His arguments cut no ice with me मतलब had no influence on me. The green-eyed monster strikes a woman the moment she sees her husband talking to another pretty woman. Jealousy बोलते हैं इसको. Go to rack and ruin. Get into a bad condition. Bite the dust. Suffer a defeat. He expects his subordinates to be always at his beck and call, at his disposal. He went back on his promise to vote for me, मतलब withdraw. The old beggar ran amok and began to throw stone as passerby. Passerby मतलब ran about widely. A bird of passage, one who stay for a short time, count on, depend on, with a string, gift or aid with condition, to draw the long bow, to excrete at one's fingertips, complete knowledge, at the spur of the moment, without delay, all in one, most important, at close quarter, close examinations, a bigger bang for your buck, more for your money, urge eyed, careful, a load of cobbler rubbish, a, a pig in a poke, accept deal without knowing. Thank you.